Hello friends, this is Sunanda. I am here to introduce a very interesting DIY project, Propeller Clock. In this video, I am going to explain what a propeller clock is, what is its basic principle, and how to make it in an easy way. Here I am showing you a model of a propeller clock. Propeller clock is a clock displayed by a mechanically rotating bar of LEDs. In this display, the LEDs are not illuminated constantly, but the LEDs turn on and off at precise intervals one after the another, extremely rapidly while being rotated with several hundreds to thousands rotations per minute. Human eye is an integrating optical sensor that has about 0.1 seconds integration time. Hence, the human eye registers an image as an integral of photons reach to the eye about 0.1 seconds time. This phenomenon is known as persistence of vision. Persistence of vision refers to the optical illusion where multiple discrete images blend into a single image in the human mind. With this basic concept, we are trying to display alphabets and letters using LEDs. Now coming to the materials required. These are the materials which I have listed we require for this project. First is the microcontroller Atmega 8. This is the most important part of the system. It controls the whole system. I have used here Atmega 8 microcontroller. It has 24 input and output peripherals. It runs up with 11.589 MHz crystal oscillator and 222 picofarads capacitor. The next thing we require is one DC motor. Although all types of motors are used to convert electrical energy to mechanical energy, the motor performance is very important in the circuit design. This is because the electric motor directly affects its speed and pushing capability. Repeated scanning of the display is necessary for continuous vision of image. This task is achieved using continuous circular rotation of this whole circuit assembly. Therefore, a DC motor has this prime mover. DC motor looks like a simple. It has low torque and high rotations per minute, which is the best suitable for this type of project. The next thing we require is the LED module. We require 6 LED module consisting of 6 bright LED color LEDs, and it is fixed in a corner of the arm of the propeller. This is the main part of the circuit. LED module is used to display the characters and symbols. These 6 LEDs are connected with 6 pins of the port B of microcontroller. Next we require is 1 9-volt battery for the rotation of the motors, 4 1.5 pencil batteries which will give us 6 voltage when we connect it in series. It is used for gluing these LEDs. We require 6 330 ohms resistors to be connected in series with the LEDs. Here we have used a 0 PCB board. This is the 0 PCB board we have used, and connecting wires. Next, coming to the working, the motherboard contains Atmega 8 IC and all other requirements to get the proper working condition. Programming is done in AVR. The LED panel was mounted to the motherboard as a separate module. 5-volt DC voltage is provided to the microcontroller in the motherboard using 5-volt voltage regulator. The propeller should be built as light as possible and more stable. It matters to fasten rotation of the propeller, and this assembly is balanced perfect with having a good mechanical strength. Then it can achieve stability and rotate at high RPM. Now, to know how to assemble and program, please watch my video number 2 and 3 on propeller clock. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.
Turn up the speakers.